This is the Irontrader. The pitch just closed here about 10 minutes ago at 2:30. So we are going to review crude oil and natural gas. Remember, the API report will be out today at 4:30. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, just a quick review here. I've been pointing out here this 21 SMA here and this 8 SMA here. Now, you can see how the 8 SMA crossed below. That's a bearish cross. That's not good. Okay, that gives you what you have right here. Okay, so right now you got a bearish flag going here, just like we had here, just like we had here. Now, the key to it is going to be today we had a lower low and another red candle. So you want to look at this candle right here. Okay, this is sitting at 78.95. That is your recent low. Now, if you can hold this area here, just go sideways here, you can still come out of this here looking pretty good. However, if this 78.95 is lost, then what you want to do is you want to look to the top of this candle right here. This is 77.33, okay? This was the breakout here from this right into the 200-day like it went here, okay? So that always really wants to come back and retest that. Now, right below that is you have your 200 SMA here sitting at 76.53. You got your 50-day at 76.06, and then we have your 100-day SMA sitting at, what is it sitting at? Oh yeah, 75.39. Okay, so those would be your key support levels here. Now, again, once that, if that's all lost, well, then I'll show you exactly where it's going to go. But let's just concentrate on that there today. Okay, so remember, watch this key level here, this 78.95, and keep your eye on this bear flag. Now, yesterday it popped up one above. However, look where it closed. See, it closed below. That's not good. So on the upside, you want to look here at $80.81, and then we have your 21 there sitting at 81.22. Now, again, if the price closes above the 8 and the 21 day, that would negate that bear flag, and then we'd be off to the races. Okay, so then what you want to do is look at the yesterday's high. You're sitting at 81.75. Then we come over here, we look at here, 81.76, okay? So that's where this candle, why did it go up to 81.75? Because it went to the bottom of this candle here, okay, by one penny, okay? That's where it is. Now, again, if you can close above, then we look to this candle here. You're looking at 82.91 here. You're looking at 83.20, and then we come to this candle, very important key level, 83.53, and then you have right here, 83.81, you have 84.65, and then your big retest, 84.89. So if you're trading the candlesticks here, which is a very easy way to trade, that in the simple moving averages, you always look at yesterday, so you say, wow, it went 81.75. Look to the bottom of that candle right there, 81.76, okay? So when you're trading the candles, okay, you always look at the highs, the lows, and the closing numbers. That is going to be your support and resistance levels. Okay, so now we're pretty much set. You need to close above this key 21 and your 8 SMA to go higher. If it closes below this 78.95, you go lower. And all your support levels right there. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly. Okay, your monthly chart, well, nothing's really has changed here. Okay, but what you want to do is look at this key level right here. Okay, and that is your 75.95. Now you can see where the 8 day is starting to come off because it was up in the 76 area here. Just watch that as your key support. Upside, watch that 83.53, and then your 21 SMA sitting at 86.08. There's your upside, downside. Now we're only 22 days here into your monthly chart here. So let's take a look here on a weekly. Right here, your double top. Okay, 83.53. Went all the way up to 84.89. Nice. Where did it close? Not there. Okay, 83.04. Below the 83.53, and then red candles ever since. Now, you want to look at this 8 SMA, because the 8 SMA is rising. You're up above the 21, up above the 50. So that needs to hold, and that's 79.06. Which you look on a daily chart, that is a very, very key support level right there. It's actually 79.05. Now, again, if that's lost, then we look to this 50 SMA here. You're looking at 78.01, and then you look at 75.73. Now, 75 area here is going to be a very, very key support level here on a closing basis. If that's lost, you're coming down to 68.48 with no doubt at all, just like you did on the rest of this. And then if that's lost, you could possibly right here 63.64. Okay, so when you do your trading, just keep it simple. Okay, candlesticks, simple moving average, your 8, 21, 50, 100, 200 day. I've been doing this a long time. This is the easy way to trade, easy way to make money, and no emotion, no feeling. Just trade the charts. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here we have your natty gas, your daily and your weekly chart. All right, let's take a look here on the weekly. Well, you've got the ping pong thing going here. So upside, you want to watch 2.62. Downside, you want to watch a 21 day, 2.46. Okay, if we can get higher than that 8 SMA right here, then we just follow the candlesticks. Okay, very nice. 2.867. Okay, then we come up here. You got 2.878, crucial candle. And then we have your retest at 3.018. This is the big boy right here at 3.027. If it holds above, then we look here. 3.279, that's your 200 SMA. And then we have right here, just 200 SMA here on your weekly chart at 3.76. Now, we go to a daily chart. Let me just big this up here. See how very, very clear. Just basically sideways action here. However, your upside, you got to watch that 50 SMA, 2.63. Then you have your 8 SMA above that. You're sitting at 2.65. And then we have your 21 day, 2.66. You need to close above that. If you do, then you got a candle right there, 2.83, 2.86. Look to this candle, 2.87. Then we can rally up to 3.018. But you got a lot of resistance. But again, this is natural gas that can explode either direction very easily. Now, downside, you want to watch today's low, 2.54. Then we come here, you got 2.52. Then we have 2.47. And then your retest, 2.45. Very, very easy. All right, let's take a look here on an hourly and a 4-hour chart. Okay, now, my video this morning, if you watched, this was the key level that you wanted to keep, 2.524. So far, it's holding, okay? So you had a low there today of 2.454. So right now, as it stands right now, looking at this, you got a possible double bottom right here, okay? Which is good. Now, I pointed out this morning that you left shoulder, head, right shoulder. As long as it doesn't close below this one here, that pattern is still intact. If it closes below, well, that negates the pattern, and then you just move on, okay? So here's what you do. You have to look on the upside. You want to look here at this key 8 SMA here. So you're looking at 2.57. Then you have 2.58. Your 50-day here. Let's see, what do we have here? You got 2.59, 2.598, and then your retest 2.63. And this is the candle that we want to look at here. Right there, you're looking at 2.66. That is going to be your retest there on your upside. Okay, so again, as long as this 2.524 holds, this is still looking very good. Okay, you can see it pretty clear here on your 4-hour chart here. Stretch it out a little bit. So just watch this key price channel right there. That's what you want to watch, 2.524. As long as that holds, this chart is still okay and can go higher. If it's not, then here's your target right here, 2.457. All right, remember the API is out at 4:30 today. EIA report will be out at 10:30. And I'll have more for you on crude oil and natty gas, as usual, before 8 o'clock in the morning. All right, thanks for watching.